guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to whole review another collection of lingerie panty. So this is woman lingerie ang nakalagay, made in China. So without further ado, tingnan na natin kung gaano kaganda ito. Oh wow, nice color. Look at this. Very bright ang kanyang color. Very nice. So, tingnan natin kung gaano kaganda ang kanyang appearance. Look at this appearance. Wow na wow. Look at that. Wow, this is a tong panty. Yan po ang kanyang front view. Look at this. Very beautiful talaga ang kanyang style. Kanyang color is pang summer. Also in the lace. Look at this. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. Nice. Ganda ng kanyang style and lace. So, tingnan natin yung ilalim. Oh, look at this. Wow na wow. Oh, wow. Nice sewing. Tingnan mo naman. Ito, ay, naku, large size. Pero para sa hindi large, no? Size large po siya. At ang nakalagay dito ay 96% polyester at 4% elastin. So, ito po ay nakalagay dito. Hand wash lang dito. Tingnan mo naman yung style niya, oh. Wow. This is a tong panty. Tingnan natin yung tahi niya dito. Look at that. Nice. Meron siyang lining dito sa ating crotch na very safe yung ating ating private part, pero siyempre napaka-tiny nito, so kailangan konting inis-inis muna dyan dahil ito ay tong panty. Doon sa mga may almond, no. Pero kung kaya naman ng inyong power, it's okay. Go for it. Ito parang spandex po yung kanyang material, pero hindi siya spandex kasi ito ay polyester at elastin. So, nice. The stretch of this lingerie is so soft. Hindi siya sticky, hindi matigas. Pati yung kanyang dito, ang ganda. So, talagang ito ay large size. Oh, ganda siya, oh. Nice quality. At pang summer ang kanyang color. Very nice. Kapag i-rate natin siya ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10. Napakaganda ng kulay. Napakaganda ng quality. The style is so elegant and beautiful. Look at this. The back view. Doon sa may hilig magsuot ng tong panty, this for you. Beautiful. So, that is for today for our sexy bikini lingerie tong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.